Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making lemon zest muffins. I love lemon desserts and lemon treats. They just taste amazing. So first what we'll need will be flour and baking powder, granulated sugar, butter at room temperature, fresh squeezed lemon juice, eggs. You want to separate the yolks and the egg whites. So I have the egg yolks here and the egg whites and just separate. And then lemon zest. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow up. So first what you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then line 2 muffin tins with 16 liners. I have like some fun reusable ones. They're just silicone. I have a few star-shaped ones, a few hearts, and just some regular. So I have that all done. And then I guess kind of third what you want to do is whisk together your flour and baking powder. Okay, and then in the stand mixer with the paddle attachment, you're going to cream together your butter and sugar. We're going to alternate in adding our flour and lemon juice, starting and adding with flour. Okay, so now in a separate bowl, we're going to beat our egg whites until stiff. So I'm going to get a hand mixer. Now we're just going to take, I need this still. This off. Okay, now we're going to fold in the lemon zest. Okay, so now we're going to put the batter into the muffin tin, the baking tins. So I'll grab like a 1/4 cup. Okay, now we're going to put these in the oven for 20 to 23 minutes. I'm going to start with 22 because I have 3 extra that I put in. Actually, no. I got 19, so I got a few more than I do, so I'm going to start with 22 minutes. Okay? So I will see you guys once that is all done.
Yes, I'm the sleigh friend. Now what do you think about that? Surprise!
timer just finished, and now let's go check these. Oh, they might need to go for a few minutes, but let's just. Yeah, I think a few more minutes. Let's see. Okay, so these ones are all good. Now let's check these. And they're all good. Okay. So perfect. Okay, now we're just gonna let those sit there for 10 minutes and then we can take them out. So, but while we wait, we can make the lemon zest glaze. I absolutely love lemon zest glaze. It's like, makes everything better. So, what you'll need for that will be powdered sugar, sifted, fresh squeezed lemon juice, lemon zest, and milk. Again, I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first what you want to do is whisk together the powdered sugar, lemon zest, lemon juice, so basically everything you have left. Lemon zest and milk. Okay. And then we can take them out and drizzle some of this on. So I'll see you guys when that is all done. Okay, so now I can take these out. I think this was a heart one, but I mean they don't really look like hearts that much because they like spread, so then the silicone just didn't really take them, so that's okay.
So long story short, I burnt my hands. See this? Not a single bite taken out of it. It's hot! Hot.
Okay. Okay. I need a little bit of parchment paper. Don't mind her, she's a little cuckoo. Okay, I'm gonna take, what am I doing? Oh, it's fine. Holy lemon. No.
Fine.
Okay. So these are all done. I glazed all of them with the lemon glaze. And they absolutely smell and look amazing. I'm so excited to try these, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Take it that way.